Let me get straight to it because most creators are sleeping on this one. You could be earning thousands of dollars in 2025 literally just by posting simple sentences, memes, screenshots, and little bite-sized thoughts on Facebook. No videos, no reels, no fancy editing, just post. And if you're thinking, wait, people actually make money doing that? Oh, yes, they do. And the wildest part, most of them aren't even influencers. They don't have massive followings. They're not viral celebrities. They're regular people like you and I with a Facebook profile or a Facebook page. They finally figured out how Facebook really works behind the scenes. So today, I'm breaking down the real strategy, not the watered down version floating around online somewhere, but the version that actually pays. And stick with me because in the middle of this video, I am going to show you how creators are using Canva and ChatGPT to pump out an entire month of content in minutes. And then toward the end, I'm going to expose the one thing that creators do that stops them from ever getting monetized. By the time we're done with this video, you're going to know exactly how to turn Facebook into a real digital income stream in 2025. So you don't have to only rely on YouTube's AdSense program. Let's get right into it. First, I need you to understand this. Facebook pays for attention, not followers. People think that they need 100,000 followers to make money on Facebook. No. Facebook doesn't pay for your follower, not the amount. It pays for your engagement count. Meaning if you post something and it pulls in reactions, comments, shares, saves, and audience reach, Facebook sees your content as valuable and pushes it out to the algorithm and you get paid because they want people to stay on their platform. What I love most about this is that you can do this on your profile or on a Facebook page. And here's the key. Profiles grow faster, but pages pay bigger. So if you want speed, build your profile. If you want long-term passive income, build your page alongside that. This is why I recommend doing both of them. They work together like sisters on a mission. Now let's talk about the content itself, because this is where most people mess up. They post boring, blah, who even cares type of content. Facebook doesn't pay for boring. It pays for emotion. Anything that makes people stop scrolling and feel something, that's what prints money on Facebook platform. And no, that doesn't mean drama or negativity or toxicity. It means relatability. Let me give you an example. You could post something like this, something motivational. The quote would be like, you're not behind, you're right on time. And boom, 500 comments, 1,000 shares, 3,000 likes. Why? Because that sentence hits people where they relate. They can relate. You could also post something like, someone is praying for the life that you're living right now. Or your next chapter is about to make sense of everything that you've cried about. These are low effort, high impact posts that get people to engage. They're emotional. And here's the kicker. Facebook pays higher RPMs on text post and image post than almost any other social media platform. Now, let's talk about how to create content without burning out, because no one is posting 5 to 10 times a day manually. Nobody's doing that. Even the creators who pretend that they do, they're lying. They're scheduling their posts, they're repurposing, or they're using AI. And this is where Canva and ChatGPT comes in. Let me show you the simple version of what creators are doing. They go into ChatGPT and they say something like, write 100 short emotional quotes about money, life, relationships, discipline, confidence, and mindset. Make sure that each one has 1 or 2 sentences only. Boom. ChatGPT instantly creates the content, and then the creators take those quotes into Canva, load them up in the bulk create tool, upload a simple tweet style template, link the data, and Canva spits out 100 unique post graphics in less than 60 seconds. That's why you see creators posting 20 times a day. It's not magic, it's automation. It's a strategy. Then they're going to load all of those posts into Facebook's Meta Business Suite, schedule everything for 2 weeks ahead, and then they go live. They go live their lives and not having to post every day. That's exactly how creators stay consistent, not by hustling 24/7, but by planning once and letting the meta do the heavy lifting for them. Now, where some creators make the biggest mistake is thinking that this is just about quotes. No, it's not. If you want to stand out, you need a rotation. And don't worry, I'm not giving you any complicated formula. It's as simple as this. You want a mix of emotional post, motivational post, authority post, relatable everyday life post, and ladder post, sometimes even polls. You can poll the audience. But let's talk about the ladder post. It's a simple question designed to spark comments. Things like, tell me where you're watching from. Describe your 2025 in one word. What's something that you learned the hard way? Who do you pray for every night? Something to spark engagement. These ladder posts tell Facebook that people respond when this creator speaks. It gives you authority. And that right there, that's what gets you invited to the monetization program if you're not yet a part of it. Now let's talk about why creators make so much money from this. When your post goes viral, even a little viral, Facebook starts showing it to strangers, people that you don't know, not your family, not your friends, but total strangers. And Facebook pays you every time your content reaches an audience outside of your circle. That's why this is so powerful. You don't need to go viral. Facebook does all the work for you. You just need a handful of consistently decent posts every week. If one of them pops off, that could be $100 to $500 per day. If 3 of them pop in 1 week, you're looking at real money, real income. If you stay consistent for months, then you could make thousands. Now, let me give you a quick warning though, because nobody talks about this. When you get invited to monetization, don't go crazy posting anything and everything. Don't do that. Facebook watches your first 30 days very closely. So be strategic, stay consistent, and stay clean. Don't post anything that could trigger Facebook's content filters. Stay within Facebook's community guidelines and keep your content aligned with 1 or 2 themes. Before I move into the part that shows you how to scale this into a full-time income, let me drop this right here. This is important. If you want to go beyond Facebook and build a full ecosystem of online income as a creator, you need my Ultimate Creator Income Workshop Bundle. This bundle breaks down exactly how to create systems that make money even when you sleep, and how to turn your content into revenue streams instead of hoping to go viral once or even twice. Everything I teach in this bundle, I use myself, and everything in it is designed to help you stop depending on YouTube Adsense program to make money. Now, let's finish strong, because here's where the money gets real. Once your Facebook profile or your Facebook page is growing, everything becomes a funnel. People click your bio. People join your email list, and that would be the ultimate goal. People buy your products. People follow you on Instagram or TikTok. People start recognizing your content everywhere. That's when Facebook becomes not just a side hustle, but the engine behind your entire online business. But here's the truth nobody will say out loud. You don't get paid for being perfect. You get paid for being consistent. You can post from your phone waiting in the car. You can schedule everything on Sunday night just once. You can automate your entire month in an hour. And every single day that your content goes out, you give Facebook another chance to pay you. And that's what it's all about. It's so simple. Now, let me give you the last thing before I wrap up. The number one reason that people never get monetized they burn out because they try to be creative every day. Stop doing that. Create your post in batches. Schedule aggressively. Automate what you can and don't overthink it. I'm telling you, it's so simple. And now, if you want more ways, to make money online in 2025, you need my free guide, 7 juicy ways to make money online without AdSense. Grab it from the link in the description. It is free, and it's going to open your eyes to more income opportunities or revenue streams of income. Please make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, because my next video, we're going to go even deeper. I'm going to do a video titled Discover the Hottest Trend to Earn Money Online in 2025. And trust me, that one is going to blow your mind. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. And go earn some money on Facebook, please.